Alright, so that's me. On my typical Sunday, I like wearing pajamas and I really love a cozy blanket. Sad to say, I'm one of those people who checks on her phone as soon as she wakes up. I normally check out my social media, my emails, Instagram, YouTube, who has commented, and all those stuff, typical. After my quick check on my phone, it's time to get out of bed. Okay, so as soon as I get out of my bed, first things first, I like getting my hair out of my face because it's time for my morning face wash. And of course, I brush my teeth in the morning. Before I use my favorite face PIXIE beauty tool and face wash to make sure all those oil and grime overnight are washed away from my face. I really love this sonic cleansing tool. It gives me that morning massage. And the sonic cleansing pulses are actually very gentle, but it's so effective in removing everything, all the debris from my skin. And after that, I love using like the rest of the Face Pixie skincare. So this is just my quick morning routine, starting off with my very own Caticorn Pets Paw Balm. I actually use it for my lips. It's like safe enough to be used on your lips. So how cool is that? So after that quick routine of layering Face Pixie products, I really love sealing and everything and using this Face Pixie beauty wand to give me all that light therapy, that sonic massages, and especially the cryotherapy. I really love that in the morning to depuff everything and make sure that my skin is in tip-top shape and it keeps me looking young. Alright, and going back to my bed, of course, I have to make my bed. Have to fix it, of course. It's easy, so don't worry. And now it's time for breakfast. So normally I take my breakfast in front of my computer, like watching YouTube videos, or at this time I'm watching my Hey You. I'm just catching up on Kardashian, or I really love the Making the Model with Yolanda Hadid. I think that's a really good series, and I tried watching this Hollywood Medium, but I got bored. So here are my cats. They really love hanging out with me for this morning. Usually in the mornings, I just take some tea and maybe some pastries, or if I'm in a good mood to prepare, I maybe get some milk and cereal or some fruits. So that's my typical breakfast. I normally have my breakfast very, very early, like 7 a.m. or 8. After that, I check on my YouTube statistics, I check on the comments, and maybe reply to them if I'm in a good mood. I am normally in a good mood always. So, and of course, I also check on my favorite YouTube channels, watch videos from there, and then after that, since it's a Sunday, it's time to take care of myself. It's my self-love Sunday moment. So I'm trying to get my very own foot spa with Capricorn Dreams salt soaks. This is my favorite lately. I try to do this every week just to give myself that little pampering and of course to keep my feet smooth and pretty. Look how cute my cats are. They just really love to be part of the frame. They follow me wherever I go. So in here, I'm using our Capricorn Dreams Salt Soaks. It has magnesium in it. It's remineralizing. It has iron. So it really helps your body from the inside and of course to the outside because it keeps your feet looking soft and pampered and pretty. Plus, I really love the aromatherapy part of it. Each tube is actually carefully concocted by me, your certified aromatherapist, and it's such an invigorating smell. In fact, your room will smell like a spa when you use this, and after the 45-minute soak, your feet will feel that cooling sensation, which is really, really, really relieving, and it feels so good. So while I am doing my soak, I really love catching on my ebooks, or maybe I use my iPad to check some of the TV shows still on Hayu or Netflix. Alexa, open Relax My Cat. And I like turning on some relaxation music or meditative music. Alexa, open Relax My Cat. Through my Amazon Echo.
Play Calm My Cat.
And while I'm also doing that, because I'm multitasking, while I'm sitting down, I also let my Xiaomi robot vacuum do its thing. You know, it's the most efficient and non-complaining housekeeper you'll ever meet. This is such a good buy. I really, really love this. I did a review on this like a couple of years ago, maybe 1 to 2 years ago, and it's still my favorite tech item. I normally run the vacuum like twice a day. So one in the morning and one in the evening just to capture all those stray hairs from my cats, and you know, it helps me with my allergic rhinitis. And then after my 45-minute soak, I get this portable like foot spa gadget thingy, and then I do this. So it removes all those dried skin, all those rough spots. It just gives you that normal spa-like experience. In fact, this is more thorough than when you go to a normal spa. Like I normally go to a normal nail salon and they don't really do my feet that well. I really, really love doing it on my own because I know up to how much I can tolerate and up to how much smoothness I really dig. So there, this will just run for the next 30 minutes? Okay, so now that the footsie session is over, it's time for me to do my thing. So I try as much as possible to limit my screen time. On Sundays, I like to do other things like other hobbies or other things that would take my time instead of just being in front of the computer. So lately, I've picked up this new hobby and I'm really enjoying carving. So I try to practice like every day, like an illustration a day, or at least once or 3 times a week if possible. And I'm really enjoying doing this. If you're looking forward to attend my workshop on rubber stamp carving, it's gonna be live on January 2020, and I hope to see you guys. If you want to sign up, just don't forget to click on the link or check out our Linktree account. That's linktree.com/capricorndreams, or check the description box below. I'm sure I'm going to be putting that down there. So those are my tools and all those cat stuff that I wanted to practice on. And I guess that's all for today. That's all I do on Sundays, really. I just take everything slow, limit my screen time, and enjoy my day in pajamas. And I guess I'll see you in my next day in the life video. I hope you enjoyed this, and Merry Christmas!